one here is a beautiful question. Always look good. I don't play with myself. Oh, they play. You see, your customers come in, they assess you. Trust me, they assess you. If you don't look like what you're charging, they're not going to stay. Except they've known you for maybe a few months or few years and they know, oh, maybe she's just like that. But a part of you, I mean, walk the talk. Look like your business. You can't just wear your flip flops and tie your bandana or your scarf or your bonnet and go to the fabric market like that. Look good. Don't know who you meet on the way. I don't know why I always say this to people because it's a motto that has worked for me and it keeps working for me. I mean, let people meet you and be like, oh wow, you are this, and they're impressed. Aim to impress, aim to please. It's just part of the business, it's part of your packaging. And also polish yourself up. If your grammar is not good, develop your grammar. Learn more English. Learn how to speak. You don't have to speak all the big grammar. Know how to put the words together. If it is Yoruba, learn how to put Yoruba together. You don't just say, some people will speak Yoruba and I will look at them and wonder, are you not a Yoruba person? Èso Yorùbá kó dùn lẹ́nu káwọn èèyàn fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tó yẹn sọ káwọn èèyàn rí nǹkan kí wọ́n wò pé ọmọlúwàbí leléyìí. Yorùbá that you speak and Yorùbá will be wọ́n máa tàyàn lẹ́nu wọ́n máa tàyàn létí. You understand me? So whatever you do, you are part of the package. Package yourself as you're packaging your business. Don't just say, oh, I'm busy in the workshop. If you meet me in my workshop, even with my adimole and my shorts and my t-shirts, I still look presentable. And that's how it should be. Look like what you're going for. Look like what you're charging. Because you know yourself that if you walk into any store, maybe you want to make your hair or you want to do anything and they charge you up at a certain amount. One of the things you do is you look around the place and you look at the person and you be like, oh, Torikene. So if you don't want to hear that Torikene in your own business, then start looking the part. Pay attention. Pay attention to your looks. Pay attention to your dressing, your appearance, your carriage, and how you smell. Excuse me, you're going to measure people. My students, if you are a student in my school and you want to measure me, I mean, there's something I ask them to measure me, not because they have to, because I want to move close. If I perceive anything, you are in for it. I'm going to talk. Although, of course, I won't say public. I'm going to call you like, that's not it. Because you're going to be touching people. You're going to be hugging people. Not hugging per se, but that's like part of measuring. Smell like money. It doesn't cost so much to do that. If you don't have good sellers, contact me. I put that sell affordable stuff, and I'll give you the secrets to it. So look at the part, smell the part, walk the part, and talk the part. That's how to make the good deals in your business. Part of your networking strategies. When you go for that business meeting or you go to that seminar or your conference where you meet people, they want to do business with you. They want to patronize you because you look like the kind of person they can tell people is working for them. Not the kind of person that they will say, Auntie Castle, man, you're that boy. They just want to like wave you off. You get that? Thank you.